Want to boost your memory, improve your balance, and keep your brain sharp as you age? I'm about to show you a simple 3-minute exercise that requires zero equipment and can actually rewire your brain. Stay with me because this gets interesting. If you're over 40, you might have noticed some changes. Maybe you're walking into rooms and forgetting why. Perhaps your balance isn't quite what it used to be, or you're just feeling a bit slower mentally than you once were. Here's what most people don't realize. Your brain doesn't decline simply because of age. It declines when it stops being challenged. The moment your brain stops learning new patterns and movements, it starts shutting down unnecessary connections. But here's the exciting part. This process is completely reversible. What I'm about to teach you activates something called neuroplasticity. That's your brain's ability to form new neural connections and literally rewire itself at any age. This exercise works by combining three powerful elements: cross-lateral movement, movements that cross the midline of your body; rhythm and coordination, which activates your cerebellum and motor cortex; and cognitive challenge, engaging your working memory and attention systems. When you combine all three, you trigger the release of BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor. Think of it as miracle grow for your brain cells. It helps neurons grow stronger, survive longer, and communicate more efficiently. This isn't just theory. Studies show these types of exercises can improve cognitive function, enhance balance, and even reduce the risk of age-related cognitive decline. All right, let's get into it. Here's exactly how to do this brain-boosting drill. Start marching in place at a comfortable pace. Nothing crazy, just a steady, rhythmic march. Get that rhythm going. This rhythm is important because it primes your brain for the coordination that's coming next. Now here's where it gets interesting. We're going to use our right hand to touch 3 points on the left side of our body in sequence. Left shoulder, left hip, left ear, right hand, left shoulder, left hip, left ear. That's the pattern. Keep marching while you do this. Shoulder, hip, ear, shoulder, hip, ear. Try it a few times. Get comfortable with the movement. Don't worry if it feels awkward. That awkwardness is actually your brain forming new connections. Here's where we take it to the next level. While you're doing this pattern, you're going to count backwards from 100 by fives. But here's the key. You only say the next number when your hand touches your ear. So it looks like this. Touch shoulder, silent. Touch hip, silent. Touch ear, say 100. Touch shoulder, silent. Touch hip, silent. Touch ear, say 95. Continue this pattern, counting down by fives. Your goal is to get from 100 down to 50 on your right hand. Once you reach 50, switch to your left hand and right side of the body. Same pattern, shoulder, hip, ear. But now count from 50 down to 0. By the time you finish, you've completed about 3 minutes of powerful brain training. Now listen, this is going to feel strange at first. You might lose your count. You might touch the wrong spot. You might lose your balance slightly. That's completely normal. In fact, it's a good sign. That feeling of difficulty means your brain is working hard to create new pathways. Every mistake is actually your brain learning and adapting. Start slowly. There's no rush. The goal isn't perfection, it's progress and consistency. Some days you'll nail it, other days you'll struggle. That variation is actually beneficial because it keeps challenging your brain in new ways. Here's what happens when you make this a daily practice. Your balance improves because you're training your vestibular system. Your memory sharpens because you're exercising your working memory. Your coordination gets better as you strengthen the corpus callosum, the bridge between your brain's hemispheres. Your focus increases because you're training sustained attention. But beyond all the science, you're doing something even more important. You're proving to yourself that you're not just aging, you're evolving. You're taking control of your cognitive health instead of just hoping for the best. So here's what I want you to do. Try this exercise right now. Actually do it. Don't just watch. Pause this video if you need to and give it a shot. Then make a commitment. 3 minutes a day. That's less time than it takes to scroll through social media. Do it first thing in the morning to wake up your brain, or do it in the afternoon when you hit that energy slump. The key is consistency. One session won't transform your brain, but daily practice over weeks and months, That's when the magic happens. Remember, the most dangerous thing you can do as you age is nothing. But the smartest thing? Small, powerful actions done consistently. This 3-minute drill is one of those actions. It's simple, it's free, and it works. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for HowTubeFit for more practical exercises and tips for staying sharp and strong at any age. And if you know someone over 40 who could benefit from this, share this video with them. Your brain health matters. Their brain health matters. Now get out there and give your brain the workout it deserves. I'll see you in the next video.